Hi friends, today we'll know about Chartered Accountancy course, a very demanding, lucrative career opportunity for younger generation. CA is one of the respectful and challenging career fields. It is a good option for higher education in India. Now let's learn more about CA, Chartered Accountancy. In India, the Chartered Accountancy course is conducted by ICAI, Indian Chartered Accountants Institute. Now let's understand who is eligible to do CA course. A student with commerce background or science or arts background can get admission in Chartered Accountancy course. Students should have accounting and computer knowledge to understand, as all the accounting work is done with the help of computer. After completing intermediate, students can take admission in the CA program through CPT, Common Proficiency Test. Students who passed their graduation with commerce stream, they are required to pass their intermediate with 50% marks, and the students with non-commerce background can apply for CPT if they clear their exam with at least 55% marks excluding mathematics and 60% marks including mathematics. Now let's understand about CA course and the duration of CA course. It takes about 5 years to complete the course. First, the students need to clear their CPT, foundation level course, in which the main subjects are QT, quantitative aptitude, general economics, mercantile law, and accounting. After CPT, students need to study intermediate level. In this, there will be subjects under two main groups. Under Group 1, Accounting, Corporate Law Part 1 and Part 2, Cost and Management Accounts, Taxation Part 1 and Part 2. Under Group 2, Advanced Accounting, Auditing and Assurance, Enterprise Information and Strategic Management, Financial Management and Economics for Finance. These are the main subjects. During intermediate level, IPCC, that is Integrated Professional Competency course, students have to complete articleship for 3 years to understand accounts practically. Articleship is nothing but on-job training. CA Final is the last step in Chartered Accountancy course, after which you will enter into one of the most demanding, lucrative and high-profile job. CA Final also has subjects in two groups, Group 1 and Group 2, and the elective subjects also in 6th subject. The main subjects are Financial Reporting, Strategic, Financial Management, Advanced Auditing and Professional Ethics, Corporate and Allied Laws, Strategic Cost Management and Performance Evaluation. Under 6th subject, you can choose 1 out of 6. Risk Management, Financial Services and Capital Markets, International Taxation, Economic Laws, Global Financial Reporting Standards, Multidisciplinary Case Study. And the 7th main subject is Direct Tax and Laws and International Taxation. And the 8th main subject is Indirect Laws. How much salary does a chartered accountant earns? As I said, it's a high demanding job. He or she earns an average salary of Rupees 7 lakh to Rupees 30 lakhs per annum. Now let us see what skills are required in a student to do CA course. Numerical ability, logical and methodical approach, good understanding of socio-economic environment in which organizations operate, necessary skills in applying theoretical knowledge to practical situations, good verbal and written expressions, ability to deal with different types of people. Let us see how does a chartered accountant works. A CA can work with a firm or can choose to open his own private practice. A CA can work in banking, tax management, auditing, financial accounting, cost accounting and consultancy. A chartered accountant also can be a financial advisor, manager or director of finance and also work as financial controller of companies. They can deal with the matters such as taxation, investigation, auditing, consulting with the companies.